If you're in the market for high-quality laptop bags to stock in your store or boutique, you have come to the right place. As a bag manufacturer and wholesaler, we offer a wide range of stylish and durable bags that are perfect for any occasion. At our company, we understand that a laptop is an essential tool for many people, whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who works from home. That's why we take great care in crafting our laptop bags to meet the highest standards of quality and durability. Our laptop bags are designed with precision and care to ensure that they provide the ultimate protection for your valuable device. We use high-quality materials, such as durable nylon, leather, and canvas, to create laptop bags that are both stylish and functional. Our bags come in a variety of sizes, colors, and styles, so you're sure to find the perfect bag for your customers. In addition to laptop bags, we also offer a wide range of other bags that are perfect for travel, storage, and fashion accessories. Our travel bags are perfect for those who are always on the go, while our storage bags are ideal for keeping your belongings organized. Visit our website for the best in bag design and craftsmanship.